Hi everyone, ready to turn your online dreams into reality? In today's fast-paced digital world, making money online is within reach for everyone. Join me as we explore the fantastic opportunities with Wealthy Affiliate, your ticket to financial freedom in the digital realm. To get the details or join now, go to the links in my description below. Why choose Wealthy Affiliate? It's more than a course. It's a community providing education, support, and tools for building a sustainable online business. Beyond courses, it's an extensive library covering everything from website basics to advanced marketing strategies. And success isn't solo. Wealthy Affiliate values a supportive community. It's done through forums, live chat, and networking events. Plus, monetization is key. Wealthy Affiliate equips you with skills to monetize through affiliate marketing, advertising, and more in the digital world. Visibility is everything. Wealthy Affiliate focuses on SEO and marketing your strategies for your business to stand out. Every entrepreneur has unique goals, and Wealthy Affiliate provides a flexible framework, whether it's a blog, e-commerce site, or an affiliate marketing empire. Success in the online world is about building a sustainable business. Wealthy Affiliates' approach focuses on a solid foundation, growth, and adaptability. And guess what? As the holiday season approaches, Wealthy Affiliate unveils exclusive Black Friday deals. From discounted membership to special course access, they're designed to give you a head start. To make the most of these deals, follow our step-by-step guide. Details in my blog post. Again, go to the description below for the links. Navigate, choose the right package, and get maximum value from your investment. Remember, in online business, every business save is $1 earned. Capitalizing on Wealthy Affiliates' Black Friday deals goes beyond cost savings. It's a boost to your income, generating potential. Wealthy Affiliates' profit model is based on affiliate marketing, content creation, and audience engagement. These elements work together to create a lucrative online business. The proof is in the success stories of Wealthy Affiliate members. Here are some real-life examples of starting from scratch and achieving remarkable success. They serve as an inspiration. Don't miss this opportunity. Join Wealthy Affiliate today and embark on your journey to online success. It's not just a platform, it's a community striving for financial freedom in the digital realm. Once more, to get the details or join now, go to the links in the description below. Yeah? So embrace the power of Wealthy Affiliate and turn your online business dreams into reality. Together, let's navigate the ever-changing digital landscape and achieve remarkable success. I wish you good health, wealth, and success.